Ready? Miss Mary Mac.
Not like that.
Come on, buddy. Come here.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Today.
Slowly, Nitro.
Let's fight. Ready? One.
No, this first. This
What?
side
Oh, this
first.
one?
Oh, yes.
Okay. One.
No,
What?
this one. The clap is one.
Yeah.
This one is nothing. This one
Oh,
is.
this is the 1, 2.
Yeah, that
Okay,
one.
ready? Here we go.
Do it slowly.
Go. Ready?
One. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, doing good, Nitro. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah! You made them. What? Okay, let's do it.
You did it
Okay.
7 times.
Okay,
8 times.
Ew, it's me and Nitro's turn. Come on. It's my turn. Nitro, let's go. It's our turn. Ready? Ready? The property so we reach 10. Okay? 1. 1. Come on, do it properly. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're a crazy
You made a
boy.
mistake. You made a mistake. You tickle.
Oh,
I saw the Likat Pupu. That's why he's there.
Ah, okay.
The boy is
The boy? Yeah, is there.
Here, look.
What?
Look.
Ah, he's got the boo-boo. Yeah, he's got the boo-boo.
okay. Thank you.
Dahil ni diri.
Nah.
Diri nagsasal. Dida daw.
Huh?
Dida.
Where?
Dida. Let's go there. What are you looking at?
I'm just looking at that because I think it's looks like puppy playtime.
Oh, it looks like Puppy Playtime. Which one? That one? Ah, the red door. Oh, it looks like Puppy Playtime. That's so scary. Tiny, you know, he was looking at that one and then I said, why are you looking there? And he said, I'm looking at it because it looks like Puppy Playtime. the red door over there.
playtime?
I think it's the colors.
So we can eat anyway. There's a restaurant upstairs. And some food? You want to get some food?
Some food, Nitro. Let's go up there and check.
Eat the food? Let's go.
Busog pa man ako.
Two. I'm 7:30. Come on. 12:30.
Let's go, Nitro. Puppy Playtime. He thinks it's Puppy Playtime. You wanna hold my hand so you don't have to hold that? You need to wash your feet. Your feet, not your feet, your feet. They've got a gym. Gym. Naghahanap si Dwayne ng salon para mapayos yung buhok niya kasi may kasal siya mamaya. Hello. You wanna sit beside Daddy?
I hate that picture.
You don't like that picture. He said, I hate that picture. Ayaw niyo daw that picture na yun.
Of that picture.
What? What?
I'm so scared of that picture.
You're so scared of the picture? Natatakot siya.
That's a scary one.
That one, the girl with the dog.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm scared.
You're scared? It's okay. It's just a picture. It's not real. You wanna sit beside daddy?
Drinks na.
Sit beside daddy. No, it's not real.
It's real.
No, it's not.
No, it's real.
Come on.
It's real.
It's not real.
Yes, it's real.
Sit down.
Yes, it's real.
Come on. Takot si Nitro dun sa picture na yun.
I don't want to go
What?
to that picture.
Let's go. Come on, Nitro. Pineapple in my pizza.
I don't want to
Oh, yeah.
go to this rock.
It's not a black one, it's Bohol. It's Bohol. We're in Bohol.
I want to go.
Oh, I think I like that one. Ha? Ano daw?
He doesn't want to go to Bohol.
No,
Don't say that.
don't say that.
What's wrong here? You just don't like the picture.
Yeah, it's just the picture that you don't like, not Bohol. Doesn't like that picture, so he doesn't like Bohol, he says. But it's just the picture you don't like, not Bohol. Pizza, do I need?
We'll get
So we're
Subi's
gonna
and
get
pizza, okay?
salami Milano and French fries.
Miss ka ng salami Milano, spicy ba?
It says it's not.
Pizza din available.
Sayang. 3 pa. Unsay pwede. Kanino lang? Ang pasta na, ang pasta?
Oo, naman.
Nitro. Careful with that. You'll poke your eye. Ouchie. No, it's ouchie on the ears. It hurts my teeth. Nope.
I hate to.
Oh, they're hot. It's hot. Yeah. It's spicy. It's quite a bit. Might go.
Chicken curry. Fries.
Na may available yung bugma.
That's ouchie. It's sharp, Nitro. Don't do that.
So it's gonna be
Salamat. Thank you.
What's that?
Look at that is right. That's it, Nitro.
Oh.
Yum.
Sa garada. Mag-pizza, ma'am, na naagaw.
Sidan. Tapos na ako. Tapos na.
You have any available?
Hydrated na ako.
Benchen one.
You want that?
Benchen one?
We need this.
I want this candy.
That's not candy.
What is?
I'll look for something else. Oh, do you want cheese ring?
You eating
Nandito tayo sa 7-Eleven kasi dehydrated na ako. Kulang ako ng tubig. Bili tayo ng tubig. Kasi Nitro gusto bumili ng something. Which one?
I want this.
What's that?
It's 100.
What's it called? What's it called?
It's called cheesecake.
No, that's cheese rings.
Cheese ring.
Yes, okay, let's go.
Cheese ring.
What else?
Well, how many did you want? How many do you want to get?
2.
Lychee, right back.
Yeah, 2 lychee.
Mommy, I want this too. I want this one.
Alright, let's go.
I want
Is that it?
this one.
Yeah, I guess so.
I want this one, Mommy.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Sadiri.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Hello Philippines out. Shout out.
Oh, shout out. Ano ba picture ba?
Sir ne. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you po.
Ikaw, Gian.
Once in a lifetime, Rene.
Char. Charot kayo eh.
Sana tag na bay bakante kung wala mo palit sa merkado.
Ano yung barbershop?
Haircut na. Haircut.
Haircut.
Bumaba po tayo ng tricycle. Come on, let's go. Let's walk, Nitro. Wala pong, salon. Hindi tayo nakahanap ng salon. Kaya babalik tayo dun sa
Oh.
Argom Center.
Go.
Argom. Bibili na lang si Dwayne ng spray net ata.
Yes.
May church dyan. Grabe, ang mahal dito ng tricycle. Parang sandali ka lang sasakay, 150 na agad.
It's not my hand. My mom
Pagkantay tayo kay Dwayne. Nandun si Dwayne. Huh? Lag huh?
Because I'm a robot.
You're a robot. Show me robot. Oop. What happened to the robot? Oh! Oh no! Nag-brown out. Si Darby wala na brown out.
Chocomel, chocomel.
Wait. Yung cream niya masyadong matigas na. It's not working. Hey, Nitro.
Yeah, I don't want this one.
Doesn't
Yeah, I don't want this one.
you don't like it? It's not
Yeah.
yummy? Okay, that yummy. Packaging lang. Ugh, sayang. Was expensive, you know.
Yeah.
Was expensive.
I want that. I hate that one. I don't like this. I only like 100 rings.
Cheese rings?
Yeah, I
Yun eh.
love it. Only not this
Oh, we can
one.
eat that in the hotel, okay?
No.
We'll eat it in the hotel.
Okay, but what did I do?
How about yan yan? I think yan yan would be okay.
Okay?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Good boy, Nacho.
That one?
No, not this one. The other one. The pink one.
Another one. Oh,
Yeah.
the big one.
Yes.
Yeah, I want it.
Okay. Okay. So, let's try this one. I hope it's good.
Me too. I hope it's good.
Yeah, me too. I hope it's good.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
Is it good? Nitro, is it good? Yeah? That one's better, hey? Daddy's hair. Look at Daddy's hair, Nitro. Do you like it?
Hello. Potato chips.
Busog pa ako. Salamat.
Sa baby mo.
Nedra, do you want some chips?
One
You want
fries?
potato
You want
chip?
some fries? No?
You don't want fries?
Nakaunian ko
Taste.
na. Yummy!
It's just
Potato
free.
fries.
You don't like it?
Salamat.
I don't want it. I